Hello people, Bilal Ansari here, and today I'm going to reveal my secret to the human flag. Today I'm going to tell you how you can do the human flag in the most simplest and effective way. Alright, so here we go. So the last video what I did on human flag had a lot of information, and you can actually learn human flag by just following that video. The reason I made this video is because to explain it in the shortest way possible, what exactly it requires to do the human flag, and it's just a simple thing but effective. So here we go. Know the placement. The first thing you're going to do is know the placement, the underarm and overarm thing, all the technique stuff. You would have probably watched my previous video, so you would be knowing the technique by then. If not yet, if you haven't watched it yet, so here's a little recap. So once you know the technique, now it's time to test your strength and how strong you really are. Can you hold the human flag? It's all about pulling from one hand and pushing from other. The stronger you are, the easier it is. And that's what human flag is all about. Alright guys, so we have come to our third thing, which is the actual motive of this video, the secret to the human flag. And what is that one thing that you need to know? Get the human flag, perfect the human flag. What is it? Alright, so are you ready? It's the strong obliques. It's strong obliques, having strong core. So the secret to the human flag is here. Having strong obliques is the secret to the human flag. Yes guys, having strong obliques have leveled up my human flag from intermediate level to advanced level. It has that effect on your human flag. But nowadays nobody trains obliques or core. All they care about is upper body. They don't care about the core or lower body. Lower body is also important. You need literally to train them separately, because you're holding your underarm and overarm grip through your lats, your bicep, your shoulder, and the main thing, more than half of your body basically is gonna be lifted by your obliques. Your lower body is held and raised by your obliques, so you make sure your obliques are 5 times, 10 times stronger than it were before, and then try on human flag. Alright, so let me give you an example. Say you are the guy who can do 12 pull-ups and 30 push-ups, so that is enough for your foundation. People train for abs, they don't train for obliques, they don't train for lower back. So that's the minus point when it comes to doing the human flag. But now that you have foundation, all you need to do is you have to raise those legs. How are you gonna do it? You have to literally make your core stronger, and the main thing on the core is obliques, which are literally going to elevate your legs. Now you know the secret to the human flag. So how are you going to do this? Now you know the answer. How are you going to train your obliques? How are you going to train your core? No problem, because in my upcoming video I'm going to show you my training to the human flag. So guys, this was the secret to the human flag. Now you know what exactly to do to get the human flag. Train your obliques, train them like hell. I mean, you have to train your core, your abs, your lower back, like almost everything, but give more importance to your obliques, and that's where you're gonna get your answer. So guys, I'm gonna show you the full training to the human flag in my next video. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. If yes, then give it a thumbs up and do comment your thoughts below, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and do turn on the post notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, keep smiling, and I'll see you in my next video.